Why is water leaking from my HVAC unit? Water usually leaks from your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning unit because the condensate drain line is clogged, the drain pan is cracked, or the air filter is dirty and causing the coil to freeze and then thaw, which sends extra water everywhere it should not go. Think of your air conditioner like a cold glass of lemonade on a hot day. When warm air touches the cold parts inside the unit, water forms on the surface, just like the drops that form on the outside of that glass. That water is supposed to drip down into a little pan and then travel out through a small tube called the condensate line, kind of like a straw for water instead of lemonade. But if that straw gets clogged with dirt, mold, or gunk, the water backs up and spills out instead of draining away like it should. Something a lot of people do not know is that a dirty air filter is one of the sneakiest causes of leaks because it blocks airflow, makes the coil inside get too cold, and causes ice to build up. When that ice melts, it melts faster than the drain pan can handle, and boom, you get a puddle. Changing that filter every 1 to 3 months can honestly prevent most of these headaches before they even start. One common mistake people make is ignoring the drip pan until it rusts or cracks. So check it once a season and replace it early if you see rust spots. Another big misconception is thinking a leak always means the whole unit is broken, when most of the time it is just a clogged line that can be flushed out with a wet vacuum. People also forget that low refrigerant can cause the coil to freeze too, so if your unit is blowing warm air along with the leak, that is a sign to call a professional instead of guessing. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.